1, 2, 3. Mulai.
On your face like you won.
Naik sedikit. Oke, jalan di
Nothing that I
samping.
say is gonna change how you feel now. You sit there and you tell me you fell out of love.
Mona.
And we are in your way, so you just gotta leave now. And we just need to understand your reasons. And you are gonna justify this treason for telling me the promises that we swore
Lihat,
ain't
kiri kanan,
enough.
kiri kanan, kiri kanan.
So now you're gonna be another person. How do I explain this shit to our son? How'd you tell a child about a girlfriend that he's gone?
Ketemu, lingkar lagi kayak tadi.
Well,
Tiara
I'll be
ikuti
the
belakang tuh, Tiara.
strongest that he ever knew.
Ya, nunjuk. Siapa
And
dulu jalan?
I'll be there when he needs your love, strong enough. Don't worry, I will carry your shit for us. No matter how bad the storm, I will be the strongest that he ever knew. We'll leave you alone. You sit there with your phone in your hands and you're hurt. You tell me that you feel like you lost me when he came.
Sudah tadi.
I'm sorry, but I cannot connect with your words. Cause right now what matters isn't yours, but it's his name. And we just need to find another income. Cause she wants you to help her with her own one. And you want me to tell me that what you've done is okay. So now you're gonna be another father, and I will be a different kind of mother. And how'd you tell a child about step brothers? That is straight. Well, I'll be the strongest that he ever knew. And I will be there when he needs your love, strong enough. Don't worry, I will carry your shit for us. No matter how bad the storm, I will be the strongest that he ever knew. And we'll leave you alone. Let's talk about family. Let's talk about family. Let's talk on the ties and the lies and the love that we had in this family. Let's talk about honesty. You know nothing about honesty. Let go of your hands and I